Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making a unique Cantonese chicken wing recipe called 蚝油沙姜干逼鸡. I loved it since I was a kid. Every time my mom made it, I could smell it before I even walk into the house. That unmistakable sand ginger aroma alone is enough to make my mouth water. So the recipe itself is super simple, but since sand ginger is the key ingredient, I figured I should explain it so you know what it is. Sand ginger, or 沙姜 in Chinese, is scientifically known as Caempferia galanga. If you ask me, can regular ginger be a replacement? The answer is this dish would still be delicious with regular ginger, but they are different. Sand ginger is not spicy at all. It has an intense peppery aroma with a mix of ginger, citrus, and camphor-like note that give this dish an authentic touch. Unfortunately, it's really hard to find fresh sand ginger root in the USA and most Western countries. But you can buy dried sand ginger online. I'll link it in the description. You can check it out if you want. It usually comes in these small little slices. You have to lightly toast them and grind them into a fine powder before using. In fact, dried sand ginger is more fragrant than the fresh root. I think the drying process concentrates its aroma. I'm using the fresh one just because I have it. Alright, we can marinate the chicken wings. Use paper towels to pat them dry. Then add a quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, the fresh sand ginger, or 1 teaspoon of sand ginger powder, 5 cloves of garlic, smashed and diced, 5 scallions, diced. We will use the white part to marinate and reserve the green part to add at the end. Last, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil just to lubricate and bind everything together. Mix well and massage the wings for 5 minutes. I cut all the aromatics pretty rough so they don't burn as quick while we sear the wings. Okay, let them marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. The rest of the steps are easy. Turn the heat to high and heat your wok until it is smoking hot. Add a generous amount of oil and swirl it around to create a non-stick coating. Remove most of the aromatics from the wings and add them to the wok. Switch the heat to medium or medium-low and sear the wings in one layer undisturbed until golden brown. You can rotate the wok to different directions to get an even browning. It really helps to have a pair of long cooking chopsticks. They give you better control when flipping and keep your hands safe away from the splattering oil. One of the biggest benefits of using a carbon steel wok is that it has no Teflon coating, but it's naturally non-stick when it is preheated correctly. It also tells you when the meat is done searing. Just gently push the wings. If they are properly seared, they'll release from the surface on their own. See these 3? When I push them, they are still sticking, which means they need more time. A lot of people don't know that, so they get frustrated and force the meat off, and then end up with a sticky mess. All it takes is a little patience. Once the wings are nicely browned, they'll release effortlessly. There you go. Perfect. Once you flip all the wings, add the remaining aromatics from the marinade and some shallots, which I cut into halves. Let them cook as we sear the outer side of the wings. I personally like my shallot crispy, so I add them later in the process. If you prefer them soft and tender, just add them earlier and give them more time to cook. Keep rotating the wok to ensure everything cooks evenly. By now, the sand ginger aroma should start to rise, filling your kitchen and make everyone wonder what you're cooking. Once both sides of the wings are beautifully charred, pour out some oil to the side so the dish doesn't come out too oily. Add 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Make sure you splash it from the side of the wok and stir to deglaze the bottom. Toss in the reserved green part of the scallions and give everything a quick stir. That's it. Simple and quick. Who Who doesn't like perfectly charred wings coated in that rich, savory oyster sauce? One bite, and you'll see why this was such a favorite in my childhood. I could never get enough of that sand ginger aroma. It really ties everything together and makes the dish feel special and unique. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!